Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies, Virgos. This card is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, Virgos, I have a friend of mine doing personal reading in Fever. I'll be sharing her link in the description. You can contact her. She is a very good intuitive reader. So let's see what are these cards for your general energies first. So today we have Tower in reverse, 8 of Swords, and 5 of Wands in reverse. So in your relationship or in your career situation, you are facing a lot of conflicts. You are doing your best, trying your best to resolve this situation, but you see a lot of competition, opposition in your work. Maybe there are people who are competing with you, competing with opportunities, and you need all that focus and attention on your work if you want success. And maybe in your personal life, you are quite confused. You don't know what is there in this person's mind, what they are thinking, or what is their next step, what are their plans. So there is a lot of confusion, doubts, and you feel really trapped today, confused or cornered, powerless, don't know what is the next step or what will be the right choice or the right decision to make today. So the way this connection is going, confusion, doubts, and this person is arguing with you or fighting with you for some reason, and you have done everything on your part. You have tried to be really friendly, you have tried to work towards a better understanding, but whatever it is, they are not doing anything to build this understanding or to make things better. So this person is not really concerned about you or not really in love with you. That is what I see with these cards. So they are not taking any interest in resolving this situation. So for your relationship, we have one card. We will see what it is. Orphaned. So this is an oracle guidance. It will give you clarity what you need to do today, maybe in this difficult circumstance. So maybe you do not find that understanding or you are quite disappointed in this connection because you both are in different stages of personal growth. You are drifting away from this person, you feel, or maybe they feel that they are drifting away from you. Maybe because both of you are different. Your views, your ideals, values, and beliefs are different. And you do not have that sense of belonging in this connection. So you need to understand that whatever is happening for something good. Take heart. Do not feel lost or disappointed for what is happening today. So your life will take you towards the people who will accept you for what you are, without any um, without any artificial layers, just for the truth of your heart, for whatever you are. So today you need not compromise to be with this person. You do not have any attachment or that sense of belonging or love. So that is the energy here with this card, Virgos. So though these cards may be something negative, Virgos, you need not lose hope. Things will change if you feel that it is true love you have towards this person. That love will truly change this person, Virgos. So for your career, we picked one card. We will see what is the card. So it's Three of Suns. With this card in your work situation, your bold moves and your courageous moves are going to help you, and people are there to support you. There is a good team working for you. That is the reason you are going to taste success very soon in your career, Virgos. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Virgos. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds. Open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. We will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this first card, the Goose Girl. I hope you can see the card. Theft. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in your circumstances today, your identity is being stolen or you have been wronged in a very bad way. Something of yours has been stolen. But you need to understand that your uniqueness and what is truly yours can never be stolen from you. Though it may look like you have lost something, in truth you have not lost it. It is a part and a parcel of your being, the truth about yourself, your true characters, your true nature. It can never be copied because each and every one of us are unique in our own way. And maybe you are facing some problems because of this, but justice will always happen. Truth will unfold in your life very soon. Truth can never be hidden for a long time and it will be revealed very soon in your situation. And you are being protected and you are being cared for, but you don't know it yet. You may feel lost, a little lonely. You may feel lost away from the people you love, people who have cared for you. But this hardship is coming to an end, and whatever injustice has been done to you is ending very soon. And you need to understand that truth will always prevail. So you need not worry. Truth about you, truth about your circumstance is coming out very soon. And whatever cruelty or jealousy is done to an innocent person will never harm them. It will just go back to the doer. So you need to understand that, and you need to understand that justice can never be thwarted. It will always unfold and truth will always prevail. So that is the energy here. So maybe you have been wronged, or maybe if you have wronged someone, you should make amends if you have done something wrong to someone. If you have tried to copy them, or if you have tried to take away what is truthfully theirs, you must mend your ways. Or if something bad has happened to you, or someone has done something bad to you, you need not worry. What is rightfully yours will always come to you. So that is the energy here with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, we have the impossible made possible. So in our hearts, we will be dreaming of big dreams, and we ourselves, we will feel that it is something, it's too big, or it is too much to imagine, or it is too unreal to manifest in our life. But there is nothing wrong to dream, and there is nothing impossible for that divine power to make it happen. So we need to have that belief in that divine power, in that higher power. So all that is holding us back from achieving these dreams are our thoughts of that lack of belief, that lack of belief in the higher power's power to unfold such dreams in our life. So our mind is the reason for us to be like this. So when we are truly passionate, when we yearn for such beautiful dreams to unfold in our life, there is nothing to stop us. And at that right time, what we passionately wish for ourselves and what we truthfully wish for ourselves will definitely unfold in our life. With that divine help, that dream will unfold, and this card means a blessing is coming your way, and this is it will be like the sweetest water quenching the thirst of our soul. So just like that, whatever we are really passionate about and whatever we yearn for, so that dream is waiting to unfold with that divine blessings. But all we need to do is have that belief in our heart. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. So that is the reading for you all today with these cards. Guys, thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.